Having trouble logging into ChatGPT. Login issues can happen for several reasons, including incorrect credentials, browser problems, network issues, or temporary service interruptions. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT login issues in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address and password. If you normally sign in with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or another provider, choose the same sign-in method you used when creating your account. Using a different login method can prevent you from accessing your account. Next, confirm that your internet connection is stable. Refresh the page or try opening another website to make sure your connection is working properly. Temporary network issues can sometimes interrupt the login process. If the problem continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart your browser before trying to sign in again. This often resolves temporary website issues. Sign in using a different web browser or try the ChatGPT desktop app if it's available. You can also test another computer or mobile device. Take a moment to see whether the issue is limited to one browser. If you're still unable to sign in, check whether ChatGPT is experiencing a temporary outage or maintenance period. If there's a service issue, you'll simply need to wait until it's resolved. Widespread login problems are often temporary. If you've forgotten your password or still can't access your account, use the Forgot Password option to create a new password and then try signing in again. So you've successfully learned how to fix ChatGPT login issues, and that's how to fix ChatGPT login issues. By checking your account details, internet connection, browser settings, and service status, you can solve most login problems in just a few minutes. If the issue continues after trying these steps, contacting support may be the next best option. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.